Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Michael Diba. This is VIP, and I want to walk you guys through how you can actually make 1,700. Currently this account I don't have any fund. I've not deposited, but I've been able to make 1,700 naira. Now a quick one, there are various packages that they have. If you rent this place, I've done a video on this platform previous on this channel about how you can actually maximize this platform and earn for free. You get withdrawal fee of about 2,000 if you come every day to actually watch the tax. Now this is it. If you do 40,000 naira account, you'll be earning daily revenue of 1,600 to 1,700. If you do 16,000, you'll be earning 600 daily. If you do 4,000, you'll be earning 150 daily. And if you do 160,000, you'll be earning 7,000 daily. So this is their various packages. If you do 220,000, you'll be earning 14,000 daily. If you do 960,000, you'll be earning 45,600 daily. So if you rent any of these packages, you'll be earning daily, and that is how this platform works, by watching ad and all of that. So you earn money just by watching ad. You can see this is my account currently, and you can see I have earned so far so good 1,700. So let me even try and see what I can make withdrawal. You see, they say impute your withdrawal amount, withdraw information, enter the user's name to withdraw, and all of that. So I will try it and see if actually they will pay me. So I will do that very soon, and I will get back to you guys and see their response, if actually I was paid for free or not. But as it stands currently, you can earn without funding, but withdrawals, now is a different thing entirely. So guys, this is all I have to tell you now for now on this platform. If you are new to this channel, guys, what do? Bell icon, notification, and subscribe to get notified whenever I drop a new video about how you can actually make money with your smartphone. Now I'm going to walk you guys through on this platform and how you can make money. Now if you go to rent here, underneath below here we see that if you click rent, you can rent all this platform and earn here on a daily basis. Everything you see here are what you earn from each packages you are into on a daily basis. So that is just it. You can see here it's possible to make 1,700 naira on a daily basis without doing anything. So what do? If you say start now, if you are already running a package, you can see here this is what I have accumulated here. Because I have not activated, you can see here you say get high earning from ad. So I have never started earning ad currently here, but here is free ad machine that I'm earning every day, currently 300 naira. So that is just what you need to do here, nothing else. This is the packages I've shown you guys. Then you have your details here, your cash. So a lot of things are happening on this platform, a lot. I'm still yet to unveil everything. Now what do? If you refer anybody, this is their policy and this is their cash reward. You have cash coupon and cash reward. So when your friend rent an advertisement machine, you get 10%. For example, if you invite a friend who rent E level, that's an example now, advertising machine for 320,000, and you will get 32,000 cash plus coupon of 32. So that is a huge money. their level income and all of that is amazing. So if you do a 4,000 naira account, you get 400, you get 1,600, you get 4,000, you get 160,000 and all of that. This is the affiliate marketing part of it. So guys, get on board. My link to get on this platform is going to be in the description of this video, so that we can actually start making money from this platform together, just like the way I'm doing. There are so many opportunities to make money here, so many guys, so many of them. You see this one, you say you can play and earn 8,000 naira. If I decide to play it now, you can see now, all you just need to do is just by sharing. It's a platform reward 7,000. So if you decide to share, you receive 8,000 cash reward immediately after completing the task. So what do you do? Share with a friend. If you click just share now, you can decide to go back and you see I've earned. You can see currently now, because of this share I did, I have earned 1 naira now. You say continue to share. So I'll go back and continue to share again, take it back. You see I earn 0.3. Say continue to share, I take it back 0.24 cent naira cent. Share again. You see, like that. This is how you can make money. You see what I've just done now, this is what I've earned so far. You see, as if I read and I will get paid for reading. You see, sign up for Fire VIP to receive 8,000 naira. So this is what you receive when you sign up. Now how is it done? For example, if getting an advertisement income of 10,000 from Facebook Facebook users earn 9,000 and the platform earns 1,000. Fire VIP helps Facebook to accomplish video ad plays through the network IPs created by users to get promotion bonus from Facebook, and users can get 90% of the advertisement revenue and the platform gets 10%. So this is how you get this money on this platform. If you invite a friend, if a friend rent an A11 advertisement machine and the renting costs about 320,000, you will get 32,000 plus cash, a cash plus a cash coupon worth 32,000 naira. Making money at Fire VIP can provide high protection of earning. So this is just what you do here. Just watch ad and then you get to make money from that platform. So guys, this is just what I have currently now, and I'm showing you guys how to actually make this money every day and all of that. So if you find this video helpful, I'll be very glad if you can subscribe to this channel, and I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.